Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can write a review for your game in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's just go to library and just find the game that you want to review. Then you're gonna see here the store page right in a game when you click on it in your library. And when you're gonna click on it, you will get on a page of the game. Also, you can find it in search if you want. And all you have to do is just write a review right here. So after having more than 3k hours on 1.6 and nearly 1k hours on CSGO, I must say I love this game. And you recommend this game? Yes. And post review. Thanks for writing a review. You can edit this review, change your rating, and change the visibility rating of your review. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.